Welcome to JPS podcast. This is Raghav Balaji from grade 9 and let's discuss on today's topic of the World Scout Scarf Day with our Master Scout Karthik sir. Namaste.
Namaste. I'm Karthik, Scoutmaster and Jain Public School. I'm happy to be attend this interview.
So I'm really interested for Scouts. So what is a Scout Scarf called?
This is Scout scarf. It's a kerchief that all the Scouts wear around their neck. It's a part of the uniform.
That's really interesting. So what is the significance of the way we celebrate World Scout Scarf Day?
Scarf, it has a meaning and there is a purpose over there. All the Scouts will wear their scarf and they have a knot all around the end of the scarf. There was a story behind this. In 1910, there was a small boy who was there living in London. At the time, the American businessman who came there to in search of others. That time, the boy helped him. In return, the person gave some gift to him, but the boy refused, and he replied him that I am a scout. It is a duty of every scout to help others. So those who every day when we are wearing this good turn, we used to think that I have to do at least one good help to others.
Wow, so just a knot goes in deep. I see that you are wearing a light blue scarf. So what does the colors of the scarf mean?
In our school, we are using four colors of scarf. Yellow for cubs, which are the kids from up to grade 5, and green and light blue for junior scouts, and maroon for senior scouts, orange for rover.
Wow. So colors really tell about the level of the
Scouting,
scout.
nice.
So I've seen some scout people doing this symbol or something.
Yeah, this is a symbol, sign that is duty to God, duty to others, and duty to self. This is world brotherhood. Scouting is full of service to others.
Wow, that's really interesting. So, what are the advantages and the things you can learn while doing scouts? And why did you join scouts?
So there was a I was admired by the scout when I was studying. When I get the opportunity through our principal, Mr. Saravanan Tyagarajan sir, to become a scout master, I am happy to be there because scouting is servicing to others. So you can be an independent leader. You can learn something. We will motivate others. We are here to service others.
Wow. So, do you conduct troop meetings?
Yeah, every week we have group meetings, and like this, any some occasion days also we have group meetings. We have 4 troops in our school: a lion, tiger, panther, and then jaguar.
So that's really interesting. About these teams, how many scouts you get join in your school?
In our school, we are having 24 scouts, 8 kids in a patrol. 8 into 4, that 24 in 24 scouts, and 18 guides are there.
Wow, that's actually a lot for a school. So, overall,
40 kids we
kids.
have. Yes.
That's really, really interesting. So, what is your goal for the students?
Goal for the students to make them independent leaders. As a school, take a school for leaders. Jain Public is a school for leaders. I want to make all the 40 as a leaders. I have a dream. They have to achieve a great in their life. For that, I am going to use this as a platform.
So, that's very nice. So, thank you to everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Raghav.
See you next time.
Thank you.